Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie shake. Start by selecting your core ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 2 cups of fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables. Next, pick a liquid base, like 1 cup of almond milk or water. Finally, consider adding a protein boost, perhaps a scoop of protein powder or half a cup of Greek yogurt for a more satisfying shake. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. Always pour your liquid into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Then, add your softer ingredients like spinach or berries, followed by harder items such as ice or frozen fruit. Blend on a low setting initially, then increase to high, processing for about 30 to 60 seconds until it's completely smooth and creamy. Now let's talk about making your smoothie uniquely yours. You can boost the nutritional value with healthy fats, like a quarter of an avocado or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. For an extra kick, try a pinch of cinnamon or a small piece of fresh ginger. If you prefer a sweeter taste, a drizzle of maple syrup or 1 tablespoon of honey works wonderfully, but taste it first. Once your delicious smoothie shake is ready, it's best enjoyed right away to savor its fresh flavors and nutrients. If you have any leftovers, pour them into an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 24 hours. Remember to clean your blender immediately after use. A quick rinse with warm, soapy water will make cleanup much easier and keep your appliance ready for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.